Breaking news. Tropical Storm Gordon update, will tropical storm hit Gulf Coast? Tropical Storm Gordon has areas of the U.S. Gulf Coast on high alert as it rips its way through the Atlantic Ocean, but will Gordon hit the Gulf Coast and will the storm strengthen to a hurricane? Gordon lashed the southern tip of Florida today after making landfall near Flamingo, Florida, shortly after 2 p.m. BST, 9 a.m. EDT. Heavy rains and gusts pummeled the Sunshine State, but Gordon has now passed offshore. Wind speeds of 50 miles per hour were recorded as the tropical storm was located 15 miles west-southwest of Marco Island, Florida. NOAA said in its 7 p.m. BST, 2 p.m. EDT, update, Gordon is still producing tropical storm force winds and heavy rain across South Florida and the Upper Keys. Storm surge warning and hurricane watch in effect for portions of the central Gulf Coast. Will Tropical Storm Gordon hit Gulf Coast? Will it become a hurricane? Gordon is projected to make landfall again along the U.S. Gulf Coast within the next 24 hours. Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama and Florida make up the southern part of the U.S. coastline around the Gulf of Mexico, where the storm has just passed. Gordon is moving at 16 miles per hour and is expected to hit Louisiana by 1 a.m. BST Wednesday, 8 p.m. Tuesday EDT. Wind speeds are expected to reach 70 miles per hour at this point, putting Gordon on the brink of becoming a hurricane. A Category 1 hurricane has wind speeds of between 74 miles per hour and 95 miles per hour, according to the Saffir-Simpson scale. A hurricane warning was issued for portions of the central Gulf Coast in NOAA's latest update at 9 p.m. BST, 5 p.m. EDT, including Mississippi and Alabama. Hurricane warning is in place from the mouth of the Pearl River to the Alabama-Florida border. Various tropical storm warnings are also in effect. They include Chocoloskee to Bonita Beach and Alabama-Florida border to Okaloosa-Walton County line. Also affected are west of the mouth of the Pearl River to east of Morgan City, Louisiana, including Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas. Life-threatening surges of rising water from the coastline are to be expected, NOAA said. Meteorologist James Paul Dice tweeted, "First alert, Tropical Storm Gordon will likely make landfall along the Louisiana Gulf Coast tomorrow evening. The system could reach Category 1 hurricane status by tomorrow. We will keep you updated."